YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. We're gonna talk about some Toshi today, and we're gonna talk about some Bitcoin. I already got Toshi pulled up. But before we get into it, guys, I gotta let you know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just homie Crypto J, so don't buy anything you see in this video. Just take with it a grain of salt, right? We're going to talk about the developments over on Twitter, and we're just also going to talk about the price. Again, we're seeing some good positive price action right here in this weekly chart. Even though Toshi's only up 1.24%, today was a really big day for Toshi, and we do know that a lot of the times these things see a pump on a Thursday, right? Seeing a good pump on a Thursday is a good indicator, right? So again, we're still creating lower highs on this weekly chart, which is what I've really been paying attention to. And the fact also that we just bounced off this second Keltner channel. We have not had a good clean bounce off this second Keltner channel in quite some time, right? As a matter of fact, the last time we got a good clean bounce off this Keltner channel was way back here, and this price was able to shoot up after that. So again, maybe if we're able to create some support right here, this thing can really start breaking up. We do know that we have a good level of support slash resistance, I guess, at 250 now. So we'll see which side of that we'll stay on. What do you guys think? You guys think that we're going to break up, or do you think that we're going to break down? It's been a very volatile past couple of months, but I want to talk about some of the developments that are going on with Toshi, because again, this coin is still having more and more developments. As a matter of fact, these guys are going to be releasing some NFTs pretty soon, which is pretty exciting. We'll see kind of how that goes. It says talking about their mint on Coinbase One, right? So it looks pretty interesting. You can see all the different NFTs that you'll be able to get. Are you gonna mint one of these, bro? Is this gonna be like a good thing, or is NFTs a sign of the end of a project? I don't know a ton of projects, to be honest with you guys, that have NFTs that are very successful, that the NFTs are successful and the project successful. I don't think many NFTs are successful right now, but then again, if we have this bull cycle, NFTs can still have a cycle. I just want to say that too, and again, I've said that in the past too, that I said that I think NFTs will have another cycle as well. But I think NFT cycle will come later on, after like the altcoin cycle. If we have an altcoin cycle again, then I think the NFT cycle will happen after that, or on the tail end of that, because that's just kind of how it has worked out in the past. And I always say that, sometimes the past indicates what can possibly happen in the future. So that's kind of what I would expect to happen in a situation like that. Again, the price is always going to be speculative. As you guys can see too, over here on Twitter, Toshi Coin is growing, right? They got a lot of stuff going for them, right? 111,000 people following Toshi right now, and I'm pretty sure this coin now is very close to 1 million holders on the base chain, which is totally insane, guys. It's totally insane to say, because again, when we first started covering this coin, it wasn't at 250 million, it was at 10 million, and it was very speculative. This thing has had many of shots up and dumps down, and again, Toshi Coin's still heading in an uptrend. It's just moving super slow. I think this market has a way of really exhausting people that are impatient, and that's what I've been telling you guys, for now well over a year, right? So you guys can see Toshi Coin, 875,000 holders, right? Totally crazy. Still picking up more exchanges, right? Just listed on Binance US not that long ago. We haven't got Binance.com yet, but now we got, Coinbase One that's going to be launching NFTs. In my opinion, this project is still putting out a ton of value. They still have a lot of connections, and they are not done by a long shot with what they're trying to do. So I'm still bullish on Toshi. People asking me left and right how I'm feeling about the project. I still feel great about Toshi. I want to know what you guys think, though. Let me know in the comment section. How do you feel about Toshi? How do you feel about these NFTs? Also, if you're not yet joined in on Patreon, join us over on Patreon, bro. I will leave you a link in the description. You could join over there and see what we got going. I will catch you guys next video. Peace.